Damn. Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. What is up, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. I'm here with the Speed Twin, and I want to do a little 0 to 60 for you guys before it starts to sprinkle out. I got a Cone Engineering X pipe and a DNA air filter on this thing. Still on the stock tune. It's a little cold out too. It's in the mid 40s, so I'm gonna keep it in sport mode, but I'm gonna leave the traction control on for reasons. So thing sounds great, by the way. Not bad. I definitely got to launch a little harder though. It really wants to pick up in first gear, and it actually wants to lift up in second gear too. So let me get up here real quick and we'll try it again. Now when you're doing this, you want to have it in sport mode. The sport mode actually gives you some extra RPMs. So, and you're gonna need that to hit 60 miles an hour in second. So let's try it again. Woo! Man. Yeah, traction control really wants to interfere with what I'm doing. Let's do this. Woo! Wow. All right, let's try it again. Okay, so keeping it down in first is like very difficult, and keeping the traction control from kicking on in second is also very difficult as well. All right. Woo! Okay. Oh boy. Well, this thing is torquey. Alright, well, that's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Stay safe out there. Stay healthy. And see ya.